Okay, little monkey's jumping on the bed. What's going on here? Here, put your legs under and kick him again.
Oops. Sorry.
You like playing with your sister. Who's that hiding under our blankets?
I got the head on it. No.
You just step up a little bit just in case. And can you make him really giggle, Angeli? Can you make him really laugh? Oh, uh-oh. Help him out a little bit. Dad, help him out a little bit. Okay. He doesn't like having his head covered.